This is number 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Orlando Pirates won 5-0 to Sekhukhune. My brother, how do you feel about the win today?
Wow. What a beautiful game.
Yeah.
We're waiting for this for a long run time.
Yeah.
For a PSL game, why not 1-1?
Yeah.
We need a game like this. We must be patient,
Yeah.
be a beautiful game, play like a team.
Yeah.
Don't be shy,
Yes.
don't be afraid. Going forward and attack like Apollo said. Go and attack.
Exactly.
We know that Pirates it's a big team.
Yeah.
I'm not supporting a Pirates, but I'm a Chiefs fan.
Yeah.
But I came to support the Pirates, man.
Wow.
Cause
That's
of
nice.
Sekhukhune say it's like it's kind of like, you know what?
Yeah.
It's our Pirates. It's a daily bread.
Yeah.
Chiefs it's like daily bread.
Yeah.
Today we show them this is
Big team.
a big team.
Yeah.
This is just Soweto.
Each other.
Chiefs,
House of
Pirates. I wish
Orlando
Chiefs.
Stadium, House
I
of
wish
Kings,
Chiefs
Don't forget.
to be play like a Pirates.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
my wish.
No, they will. They will.
Go and attack
Yeah.
like a team.
Yes.
Go and attack like a team. Play like a team from goalkeeper,
Yeah.
defender,
Yeah.
midfield,
Yeah.
striker. Go and attack.
Attack.
Be patient with the ball.
When are we playing
Don't,
our final?
don't be shy.
Already in
Yeah.
final.
I thank you so
When are we
much.
Thank you very much, Kosi.
Because if we're live.